Ever wondered how to turn your idea into a video instantly? Picture this. You have a fantastic concept, a story to tell, an idea to share. But translating that into a visually captivating video seems like a daunting task. The process can be overwhelming, time-consuming, and often requires a skill set not everyone possesses. But here's a thought. What if there was a tool that could do this for you in no time? Welcome to the world of InVideo AI. InVideo AI is your genie in a bottle, ready to transform your ideas into stunning videos. This isn't just a tool. It's an intelligent companion, a digital collaborator that understands your needs and helps you create videos with ease. InVideo AI is an advanced piece of software that uses artificial intelligence to automate the process of video creation and editing. It takes your input, whether it's a simple text or a complex idea, and it transforms it into a visually appealing, fully edited video. Imagine having a professional video editor at your fingertips, working around the clock and never missing a deadline. That's what InVideo AI offers you. But its benefits go beyond just automation. InVideo AI is a smart system. It learns from your preferences, adjusts to your style, and improves with every video it creates. It's not just about saving time and effort, it's about enhancing the quality of your content. With InVideo AI, you can focus more on your creative process and less on the technical aspects of video production. You don't need to worry about the right transitions, the perfect cuts, or the ideal duration. InVideo AI handles all of that, and it does it with precision and consistency. Moreover, InVideo AI is a great tool for content creators looking to scale their output. With its help, you can produce more videos in less time without compromising on quality. It's a game changer in the world of content creation, a tool that empowers you to do more and to do it better. InVideo AI is your personal video assistant, bringing your ideas to life. Now you might be wondering, how does InVideo AI work? Well, let's break it down. InVideo AI is a brilliant blend of advanced technology and simplicity. It all starts with your idea, your vision. Whether it's a blog post, a script, or even a simple sentence, InVideo AI is designed to transform your thoughts into a dynamic video. Here's how it works. You input your idea into InVideo's platform. This could be a piece of text, a storyboard, or even a rough sketch of what you envision. The AI then takes this raw material and begins to analyze it, dissecting every element to understand your vision. This analysis isn't just a basic read-through. No, InVideo AI dives deep, using complex algorithms to determine the mood, tone, and context of your input. It's like having a director, editor, and producer all rolled into one, understanding your vision and bringing it to life. Once the AI has a thorough understanding of your vision, it gets to work. It starts crafting a video, selecting relevant images, videos, and animations from its vast library. It seamlessly stitches these elements together, creating smooth transitions and adding fitting music to set the mood. But the magic doesn't stop there. The AI also takes care of the little details that make a big difference. It chooses the perfect font for your text, aligns the elements for a balanced composition, and even adjusts the color grading to match your brand or theme. And the best part? This entire process takes just minutes. That's right. In the time it takes to brew a cup of coffee, InVideo AI can transform your idea into a polished, professional-grade video. It's like having your own personal video production team, available 24/7, working at lightning speed. So, whether you're a seasoned content creator or a newbie with a vision, InVideo AI can help you create stunning videos with ease and efficiency. All you need to do is provide your idea, and InVideo AI takes care of the rest. So, are you ready to revolutionize your video creation process? There's a world of possibilities at your fingertips with InVideo AI. Imagine a tool that takes your raw, creative ideas and turns them into polished, engaging videos. That's the power of InVideo AI. This isn't just another tech gadget, it's a game changer, a tool that allows you to break free from the technical constraints that have been holding back your creativity. Picture this. You're no longer bogged down by the nitty-gritty of video editing. Instead, you're free to unleash your creativity, to explore new ideas, to tell your story the way you've always wanted to. But don't just take our word for it. Give it a try. See for yourself how InVideo's AI can transform your video creation process. Whether you're a seasoned content creator or just starting out, this tool has something to offer. It's time to step into the future of video creation. It's time to let your ideas shine. Don't wait another second. Transform your ideas into videos today with InVideo's AI. Ready to experience the magic of InVideo's AI? We believe in our product and we want you to experience it firsthand. In the video description below, you'll find a link. Click on it and you'll be taken to a page where you can try InVideo's AI for free. No strings attached, just a chance for you to see the real difference it can make in your video creation process. So why hesitate? Start creating stunning videos today with InVideo's AI. Let your creativity flow, let your ideas take flight, and let InVideo's AI handle the technicalities. It's time to transform your ideas into compelling videos. Click the link and start your free trial today. Imagine creating a video in just minutes. Sounds impossible, right? Not with InVideo's AI. With our cutting-edge technology, all you need to do is type in any topic. Once you hit enter, InVideo's AI gets to work. It generates your script, creates scenes, adds voiceovers, and tweaks everything to perfection. Before you know it, you have a video ready to be uploaded to YouTube, TikTok, Snapchat, or any other platform. It's that simple, that fast. Experience the power of automation with InVideo's AI. Let it take your creativity to new heights. Let it give wings to your stories. Let it help you create content that resonates with your audience. So why wait? Turn your ideas into reality. Experience the power of automation today with InVideo's AI.